Hello learners, today we'll explain sustainability of development. As more and more development happens, more and more resources get used up. Increase in cultivation is an indicator of development. The resources used for development may be renewable resources or non-renewable resources. We have limited stocks of non-renewable resources that are lost, lost forever. Nature stores renewable resources in a period of time, like groundwater, crude oil, etc., which gets replenished by nature. Use of renewable resources faster than what nature can restore can lead to their scarcity. If development continues at its present pace, there may be a time in future when we may run out of resources and no further development would be possible. Here, the concept of sustainability of development comes in. Sustainability of development involves finding ways for continuous development without the risk of running out of resources or causing irreparable damage to environment. Therefore, sustainability involves more efficient use of our existing resources, finding fresh reserves of resources. Moreover, coming up with innovative ideas and technology to use new resources in place of conventional ones, and all types of pollution should be minimized. Therefore, sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Means there will be development for the present generation, but not at the cost of future generation. That means when we are using some non-renewable resources for the growth of present generation, at the same time we must find out some alternative sources of resources for the future generation. Sustainable development implies that we need to look after our planet, our resources, and our people to ensure that we can live in a sustainable manner, that we can hand down our planet to our children and our grandchildren to live in true sustainability. To achieve sustainability, we must balance economic, environment, and social factors in equal harmony. This may be illustrated with the help of Venn diagram. Now, let us see the three factors. First, social factors. It represents quality of life, education, community development, equal opportunity, and law and ethics, etc. Economic environment deals with smart growth, long range or long term planning, cost saving method, research and development, spend that is spending on research and development to find out the new product, new method, etc. And cost of living, that deals with the increase in standard of living. Environmental factors includes resource management, environmental protection, habitat restoration, and preservation. Now, from this Venn diagram, we see that social plus environment is bearable. That is environmental law, public involvement, reporting, and publishing. That is bearable. Next is environmental and economic is viable. That is what energy efficiency, subsidies, tax breaks, carbon credits, these are. And social and economic is equitable, such as fair taxation, business ethics, trade workers' rights, trade workers' right, government spending, government budget, etc. And social plus economic plus environment is sustainable development. That is called sustainability. Sustainable developmental goals or sustainable development goals, SDGs. The sustainable development goals, also known as the global goals, were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. There are 17 sustainable development goals which are integrated. They recognize that action in one area will affect outcomes in others, and that development must balance social, economic, and environmental sustainability. What we have observed in our Venn diagram. Thank you.